back to the One Auto channel. My name's Rob. Today I've got in a Volvo C30 2.0D Diesel 2009. This one here behind me. It's in because we've got an engine systems fault, something like that. I'll show you on the dashboard and plug in and find out what needs doing. Engine system service required. That's what it is. If you press and hold the trip, this is what the customer did. It'll make a bleep at you and it will show you the code and tell you why it's on. I believe this one's 019. There it is, 019. This relates to your Eolys fluid level low. So there we go. I've done a scan with the Autel. It says additive dosing module 1 fault. We take a look what that fault is. Read the code. Additive tank level low. That's it. So I'll get some fluid ordered up and I'll show you how to add it into the tank. Okay, so from the back of the car, we've got it lifted up in the air now. Your main fuel tank is just here. It's just exactly the same as a Ford. In fact, there's a Ford fuel tank on this car. And here's your tank. And you've got a connector there. Got an overflow there and the filling pipe there. So we have to take off this cap here and put our pipe to fill it on in that one up there. So let's get cracking with that. So we've got to take this end cap off of the overflow pipe, and what we have to do, we have to remove this clip. It's just like a fork that goes in and locks the cap on. We do that by releasing the two tabs this side. There we go. Just take that all the way out. Okay. So that's all it is. Some rag ready. Got a drain under here just in case. So you've got a bit, if I hadn't had that there, it'd be all down your sleeve by now, but okay, now we've got to get the top pipe disconnected in the same manner. It's a bit tricky to film this. I'll put one hand over the top of the rear axle. Get to one of these tabs, try and release it. There we go, that's got it. Ta-da! Right. This pipe off. I'll just show you up there. Whoop. But that is just a fill pipe. Up here, don't forget some light. there we go. So the pipe we've just taken off is this one here, that off of there. And as you can see, it's just a fill pipe, doesn't actually go anywhere. There's another blanker at the end of that short piece up there. So get that off, we'll connect our pipe onto here now. So I've got this PAT fluid transfer kit. Pick this up from local GSF stores. And it comes with this screws onto the bottle, some pipes and some connectors, some speed fit connectors for different applications. So hopefully I'll be able to connect that straight onto there, screw this end onto the bottle, squeeze it in, and we'll let gravity take its course. Let's give it a go. Okay, I'm connected up there on the tank. Screw that in. For the purposes of the video, we'll leave the car in the air. Step ladder here, just to get a bit more height. And it goes. I'm just squeezing the bottle. Help it on its way. Oh, there we go. Get the air out of the bottle a bit more. Lovely. That's it. That's now full. So we'll reconnect the pipe work. Put the cap on first. With the clip. And then we'll quickly swap these over. Let me get the bottle down. Put that in there. Alright, that's back on. Wear protective gloves when you're doing this. This stuff's pretty toxic. To keep it off your skin. If you get it on your skin, wash it straight away. I suppose really I should be wearing eye protection, but I've done a few of these now. Right, put that plastic fork back in and go to the next stage. Okay, back inside the car. Now the tank's filled up. Ooh, hot day today. Now the tank's filled up, we need to reset the counter. So, special functions, and reset the tank level gauge. Ignition on after refilling the tank. The tank level gauge in the additive dosing module must be reset for further information. Blah 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 blah. Active resetting of the fuel tank level gauge by clicking on continue, then press start. Activate the ignition position 2, which we're on. Click start and follow the instructions. So continue. And then we've got reset the tank level gauge, additive tank level, like so, and we'll press start, waiting, start the engine, wait 30 seconds. I don't mind, the air conditioning's cut in rather. It's nice. 22 degrees Celsius. Not too hot. I'm hot. Three, two, one. Level in additive tank is full. The status for level. If status for level is full, choose escape. Escape we have done. Let's go back. Let's read the codes. No fault codes detected. Come out of there. Switch the engine off. Looks like our warning lights have gone out. Switch the ignition on. Start the engine. There we are. No more messages. All sorted. That's it for this one. Hopefully that's of use to somebody. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget you can connect to us on Facebook, on Twitter and on Google+. See you next time.